Hello everyone. How are you all? So sorry, मुझे आने में थोड़ी सी देर लग गई, 3-4 मिनट ऊपर हो गए, but I'm glad you all have still joined in and so happy to see you all once again on this live session by ZTV Middle East. मेरा नाम है प्रिया जेठानी और I'm back with yet another live session on ZTV Middle East. With yet another artist, another celebrity. आप सबने हमारे Instagram पोस्ट, Facebook पोस्ट पे देख ही लिया होगा हम किसे आज लेने वाले हैं इस सेशन पे. इनफैक्ट मैंने अभी अभी एक कमेंट भी डाला है इस सेशन पे. So, well, it's gonna be none other than Shilpa Rao, who's going to be joining us right here on this live session. And बहुत जल्दी मैं उन्हें रिक्वेस्ट भेज देती हूँ so she can join us. Meanwhile, keep your questions ready. मेरे सवाल तैयार हैं उनके लिए and I am all set to welcome her on this live session and I'm very very excited because she's one of my personal favorites and I listen to her songs all the time and बहुत ही unique आवाज़ है, बहुत ही melodious आवाज़ है उनकी and we are going to be interviewing her on this session. We are going to be trying and taking as many of your questions that we can. So keep sending in your questions once she is online. Keep sending in your comments and जितने भी वो पढ़ पाएंगी, जितने भी वो आंसर कर पाएंगी वो ज़रूर करेंगी. A lot of you are saying hi to me. So hi everyone. Very nice to see you all joining in on this Thursday evening, afternoon in the UAE, evening in India. Very glad to see all of you. हर बार आप हमारे इस लाइव सेशन को ज्वाइन करते हैं एंड आई होप हम लोग आपको एंटरटेन कर पा रहे हैं. हम कोशिश तो पूरी कर रहे हैं इस लॉकडाउन में जितना एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोवाइड कर सके वो करने की. एंड I hope you all are enjoying these sessions and I hope you all are making some good use of this lockdown that we all are in. कुछ productive कर रहे हैं इसमें हम सब करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं rather. Let me quickly check if Shilpa is able to join us. Sending in another request and as soon as she is able to join in, we'll take her online. तब तक मुझे आप लोग बताइए कि आपका फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है शिल्पा का. जो इतने सारे गाने उन्होंने गाए हैं इन बॉलीवुड एंड इवन अदरवाइज. विच इज़ योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग ऑफ हर्स? Which is the song that you always listen to, song or songs, because there are so many. Put in your comments and tell me which is the song that you would want to request her to sing on this live session. तो आपके सारे comments मैं पढ़ लूँगी. And yes, someone requested Gustakh Dil. Of course, that is one of my favorite numbers as well. I believe the number that she sang with Parikrama Band and Agni is the song again, which is in a couple of minutes. I have just tried to connect her and soon she will be here and we can't wait.
Hello.
Hello Shilpa, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. कैसा चल रहा है लॉकडाउन?
लॉकडाउन सबका एक ही जैसा चल रहा है. I'm guessing everyone's trying to be as
Productive
or trying to learn something new or just trying to keep yourselves happy. So
busy.
I think that's what we all are doing through the
Yeah.
lockdown.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, let me begin by first congratulating you for Ghungru. So many awards, so much appreciation from everywhere.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's great. It's one of the most popular dance numbers. Whenever we hear it, we will start dancing wherever it is. So yeah, we love it, and we love so many of your other songs as well. But tell me, Shilpa, what prompted Apeksha to become Shilpa?
So I was born Shilpa only. Apeksha was my school name. So when I was born, it was Shilpa. So Shilpa was always my name.
Okay, that was the original actually.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Right. So from Tose Naina Lage to Ghungru, I know it's been a long journey. You've come a long way, but in some way, can you put together your journey in 2 lines and tell us how has it been?
I've been very fortunate to have worked with such awesome people through my entire career, and B, I am extremely, extremely grateful for all the love that the audiences have shown for my work. So these two things I am extremely happy and grateful for. So yeah, that's what I can say.
In fact, in this entire journey, you had the opportunity of working with the most popular music directors. Is there anyone still on your wish list, or who has been your favorite so far?
Well, I definitely do want to work with Vishal Bharadwaj ji. I mean, he's been one of those composers, directors. I mean, he's so many talents in one man. So I'm really looking forward to working with him someday in some
Okay.
way. And there's a new breed of amazing composers who are young and so innovative and full of new ideas and to name a few, there's Sachit Parampara, there is Rochak Kohli, uh, there is Vishal Mishra. So there's so many people who are doing such great work, and I would love to collaborate with them. Yeah.
That's wonderful. Anyone who's your favorite singer from the current times or from yesteryears, maybe?
Well, I have a couple of singers who've been major game changers for all of us.
Hmm.
Uh, Sukhvinder Singh for sure. He's one voice, one. I think he's more of a force when you hear his music. It's so refreshing. It's nothing. You've never heard anything like it. That's
Yeah.
what I feel. Like अभी भी उनके कोई भी गाने आप जो सुन ले तो लगता है कि suddenly the mood is changed, suddenly everything is changed, and that's the power of his voice. I love KK. I absolutely adore him as a musician, as a human being. I really strive to be as nice as a human being as he is every single day. Uh, of course, there's Sunidhi Chauhan. I think she's really done it for all the female singers, because there was a notion where female voices were supposed to be a certain way, and thanks to her, uh, you know, females can sing in the way they want to and the way they are. So I think these are few singers, musicians that I really really admire. Yeah.
Taken quite a few great names here. Tell me, Shilpa, is there any song that sometimes you hear and you think, I wish I could have sung this song?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं फील होता है because it's important to still be a tourist in music, even though I do music as a profession. But there's one song which I completely adore, Zara Zara by Bombay Jayashree. I think, oh my God, she sounds like a goddess. She sounds like a dream when you hear her sing that song. And
Yeah.
wow, I wish I can meet her and say this to her someday. But then yeah, she's gorgeous. Yeah.
A lot of your fans are writing in and they're already requesting so you to sing
Hello,
songs.
hello everyone who's joined in. I'm so happy that you guys are here and chatting with me. It's 5-ish in Bombay, and it's coffee time. So cheers everyone.
Well, tell me, Shilpa, you've sung in so many different languages: Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. Have you ever had any kind of challenges or difficulties in grasping any of these languages, or which has been the most difficult?
All languages have their own difficulties, because it's not even language. It's just about the little you know when you get to the minute details of pronunciation.
The
It's very
dialect.
important because it adds to the whole sound of the language.
Hmm.
And so yeah, I mean, I am a South Indian, but still singing in Tamil or singing in Malayalam is not easy. These are very difficult languages. I grew up listening to a lot of Bengali music, so that accent and the pronunciation comes to me very naturally. So but surprisingly, uh, I always thought, Punjabi is easy क्योंकि आप इतने गाने सुनते हो और हमने गाया भी है बहुत सारा. But when I actually started singing Paar Chana, I realized it's not an easy language.
Yeah.
There is a little like a twang to it, like a little oomph to it, and if you don't get that right, it doesn't sound beautiful. So I think there are a few languages in the world which are very they lend themselves very nicely to pathos. So Punjabi is one. There's Bengali. There's Tamil. There's Spanish. When you hear something in Spanish, it's so beautiful, and you can feel the whole roller coaster of emotions in it. So it's important to catch the emotion from the language, and if you can do that, you can sing anything. So I mostly try to catch the emotion of the song when I'm singing in a different language. Yeah.
Lovely. Well, on this note, I would like to tell everyone, I've put it here on my comments as well, that people can catch you on Supermoon Live to Home next Friday on the 26th of June on ZTV Middle East, where you will be performing. And it'll be a great opportunity to hear you sing there and watch you, along with so many different
Thank
artists
you,
who are part of
ZTV, for giving me the opportunity to reach out to my fans in these times, because we are used to being on stage and singing for people live, and having everyone in front of us. That is the one thing I'm missing the most right now in this lockdown period. And thanks to you guys that I have this medium to reach out to all of them. And when I was performing, it just, I visualized all of you guys in front of me, and that's how the performance will flow. So that is the whole motive right now. Yeah.
Talking about Supermoon and talking about all the artists that we've been talking to, very coincidentally, we also had a live session just yesterday with Subir Malik from Parikrama. And we
sweet.
got to talking about the song that you all had done together many, many years ago. I believe it's one of my favorites.
I believe, yes.
Yes, and your part is so nice. Would you mind singing a couple of lines from that if you remember?
Yeah. I mean, it was such an experience doing that song, and so Agni, Parikrama, me, and all three of us became friends for life because of the song. So here are a few lines from I Believe. हम भी तो हैं इस जहां में, पल भर सही तेरे दास्तां में, क्यों है अभी फासला, है प्यार में जो हौसला, हम भी तो हैं इस जहां में, पल भर सही तेरे दास्तां में, क्यों है अभी फासला, है प्यार में जो हौसला. I think those lines fit today's time so well.
Yeah.
That fasla hai, but pyar to hai, so doesn't matter. Yeah, I think, yeah. Right. Thank you so much for reminding me.
It's been ever since I got to know that I'll be talking to Subir, I was just going back to that song again and again and listening, and it's one of my favorites. And then I was like, oh my God, I'm talking to Shilpa also the next day, and I have to make her sing this one.
Next, I think you should hit up Mohan. Next, I think you should hit up Mohan. Then your trio would be complete.
Yes. In fact, Parikrama also celebrated their 29th anniversary yesterday.
Yeah, they did. They
And
did. Yes, 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 yes.
yeah. So it was great, and it's great having them also part of Supermoon Live to Home. And you just gave me goosebumps with that song. Can I request you to sing another song for us? I mean, it's your choice. I
Tell
have a
me, tell
whole
me, tell
list
me
here.
which one? Which one?
There is
Which one?
I love Ahate, I love Gustakh. Then people are writing Buleya. I love Yariyan. I mean, I don't know. I just want you to sing all of them right now.
All of them.
Like a little
Yeah,
mashup
I
for
get that a
us.
lot. No, no, yeah, for sure. Let me just try and jump from one to the next. Okay, let's start with मुझ में अगन है बाकी आज़मा ले लेकर रही हूँ खुद को मैं तेरे हवाले वे रांझना वे रांझना रांझन ते यार बुलिया सुन ले पुकार बुलिया तू ही तो यार बुलिया मुर्शिद मेरा तेरा मुकाम कमले सरहद के पार बुलिया परवरदिगार बुलिया हाफिज तेरा मुर्शिद मेरा. The next one was सब कुछ वही है पर कुछ कमी है तेरी आहटें नहीं है सब कुछ वही है पर कुछ कमी है तेरी आहटें नहीं है नहीं है. And you asked for
Gustakh Dil.
गुस्ताख दिल में मुश्किल मुश्किल में दिल हो गुस्ताख दिल थोड़ा संदिल थोड़ा बुज़दिल हो गुस्ताख दिल. So that was for you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Shilpa. It's so
Most
nice listening
welcome.
to your melodious voice, and we love it even more watching you on ZTV Middle East. I mean, I was just thinking, I mean, it would be great to sit right across from you and meet you in person. I hope once this lockdown is over, we get the chance. But I was just remembering the time I
Yeah,
actually
next
met you
time.
when you came down
So
to
next time
Dubai with
I'm
Benny. Yeah.
when I'm in Dubai, let's have a coffee in person instead of the virtual
Absolutely,
coffee. Let's do it
absolutely.
in person.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you've done wonderful concerts here. You were down with Benny Dayal, Siddharth Mahadevan, and the whole group, and it was so nice. One of the concerts that happened here at the Trade Center, and we hope to see you here once again as well once all of this is
Yeah.
over.
There was a very
For
special
now,
concert. In fact, I've done. There was an unplugged concert,
yes,
and there was Shafkat and me, and that was such a
yes.
beautiful concert. The audience was lovely. It was, yeah, one of the sit down ones where you could literally talk to your audience and sing for them. It was very intimate, but yeah, one
Yes.
of those very beautiful moments of my life. Yeah, I remember that so
Yeah,
well.
yeah. That's the one. That's the one. Well, tell me something, Shilpa. There's this challenge going on, the Rangreza hashtag Sargam challenge on Twitter by Sachin Jigar. You've been
Yes.
nominated as well. Tell us about that.
So I did the challenge and I sent it to Sachin and Jigar, and because of that, then I heard the song also Rangreza, and it's such a pretty song, and uh, they have this quality of and this and they're so diverse. Sachin Jigar, the way they compose,
Yeah.
they compose very varied, very diverse songs. And I don't know how they do it, but they're so good and they ace it every single time. And Rangreza, बहुत मजा आया इसको थोड़ा वो सही में चैलेंज था एंड मजा आया इसको करके सो या.
Superb, superb. So, Shilpa, I am going to take your leave now. I'll leave you to enjoy your coffee and talk to your other fans. And we'll catch you on ZTV Middle East on Supermoon Live to Home. Anything you want to say to your fans?
All I will say is that please guys, stay home, take all the precautions, keep safe. especially for your loved ones. So please, please, please try and keep yourself happy, because right now, keeping a happy mind is as important as having a healthy body. So please, please keep yourselves happy, spread happiness, keep talking to your friends and family, and watch the supermoon live to home. And I cannot, I won't be able to see you or hear you, but trust me, in my hearts, I know that you'd be singing along. So please, please sing and dance with me. So that's the whole point. So lots of love to all of them. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Shilpa. I think
Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe. You too.
take care, stay safe. See you.
Take care. Bye.
But I really wanted to make her sing many, many, many more songs, and I know you all wanted as well. But हम उनकी बाकी की performance को देखेंगे on Supermoon Live to Home जो ZTV Middle East पर होगा. Do not forget to watch on the 26th of June, which is next Friday, 10 p.m. in the UAE. I hope you enjoyed this conversation that we had with Shilpa Rao, and she has such a melodious voice, doesn't she? And she sings exactly like how we've heard her songs. सामने बैठकर लाइव पर टीवी पर हर जगह exactly वही आवाज, and it gave me goosebumps. I'm sure it gave you goosebumps as well. So, well, this was another entertaining session. At least we tried to make it entertaining for you. I hope you will join us for another live session after this on ZTV Middle East. My name is Priya Jethani. आप लोग सब घर पे रहिए और safe रहिए, and जल्दी हम इन सब चीजों से बाहर आ जाएंगे. Thank you so much and take care.